So we have this interesting problem here. There are three bulbs A, B and C. Bulb A glows after every 2 seconds. Bulb B glows after every 3 seconds. And bulb C glows after every 5 seconds. If all the three bulbs glow together once now, then after how many seconds will they again glow together? So this is what we need to find. Now we know that in every word problem there are certain keywords, some important words which we need to look at. So over here we have bulb A glows after every 2 seconds, bulb B glows after every 3 seconds, C after every 5 seconds. They glow together once right now. So after how many seconds will they again glow together? So these are our three bulbs. So bulb A glows after 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds and so on. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we see that bulb A glows in multiples of 2. Similarly, bulb B glows after every 3 seconds. That is, it will glow after 3 seconds from now, then after 6 seconds from now, then after 9 seconds from now and so on. So it will glow in multiples of 3. Bulb C glows after 5 seconds from now, after 10 seconds from now, after 15 seconds from now, 20 seconds from now. So bulb C will glow in multiples of 5 because it glows after every 5 seconds. So after multiples of 2, multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. So this is how the bulbs are glowing. So let us visualize this. So see, now is 0 and bulb A has glown at 2, B has glown at 3, A has glown at 4 again, C at 5 and at 6 both A and B glow. At 10 seconds A and C both glow, and at 15 seconds you will see that B and C both are glowing. So what exactly is happening? Since they are glowing in multiples, we need to find when will they glow again together. So we need to find the common multiples. So we saw that A and B were glowing together at 6 seconds. 6 is a multiple of both 2 and 3. So A and B were glowing together at 6 seconds. B and C were glowing together at 15 seconds because 15 is a multiple of both 3 and 5. But what do we want here? We want all of them to glow together. This means that we want the common multiples of 2, 3 and 5. Now there can be many common multiples of 2, 3 and 5. So which one do we want? Well, we want after how many seconds will they again glow together. So we want the lowest common multiple or the least common multiple of 2, 3 and 5. So let us find the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. So we start by dividing with the lowest prime number, which is 2 here, till we get all the quotients as 1. The LCM will be 2 into 3 into 5, which is 30. So all the three bulbs will glow again together after 30 seconds from now. So now if all the bulbs are glowing, after 30 seconds, all the three bulbs will glow again together because 30 is the LCM or the lowest common multiple of 2, 3 and 5. So this is how you can solve problems of this type. So when you have something happening in multiples, so bulb A was glowing in multiples of 2, bulb B was glowing in multiples of 3, bulb C was glowing in multiples of 5, and you need to find when will they happen together. You need to find the common multiple, and when you need to find when will they happen the next time, the very next time, then you need to find the least common multiple. So this is how you can use the LCM to solve problems of this type. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.